Can a president pardon anyone they choose? Imagine a leader with the power to forgive legal wrongdoings and erase convictions. It sounds almost too good to be true, but the authority to grant pardons is a well-established part of the United States Constitution. The question is whether this power is unlimited or if there are boundaries to whom a president can pardon. The constitutional basis for presidential pardons is found in Article 2, Section 2 of the United States Constitution. It states that the president has the power to grant reprieves and pardons for offenses against the United States, except in cases of impeachment. This means that the president can forgive federal crimes, which include violations of federal laws, regulations, and statutes. However, the scope of this authority is not limitless. The president cannot pardon state crimes, as those fall under state jurisdiction. For example, if someone commits a crime under state law, a federal pardon would not apply. Additionally, the president cannot pardon individuals for state-level offenses or for violations that are not considered federal crimes. Another important aspect is that the president cannot pardon someone in anticipation of a crime or as a means to obstruct justice. Pardons are generally granted after a conviction or at least after charges are filed. The power does not extend to preventing a criminal investigation or stopping a case from proceeding. There are also some notable limitations related to the nature of the pardon itself. A presidential pardon does not erase the conviction from a person's criminal record. It simply forgives the offense and restores certain rights, such as voting or holding public office. Furthermore, a pardon does not prevent criminal prosecution at the state level for the same conduct. In terms of political and legal boundaries, the president's pardon power has been tested in the past. While presidents have broad authority, they cannot pardon themselves or members of their immediate family. The question of whether a president can pardon themselves remains unresolved in the courts, and no president has attempted to do so. In summary, the presidential pardon power is extensive but not absolute. It applies only to federal offenses, cannot be used to interfere with ongoing investigations or state crimes, and is subject to legal and constitutional limits. Understanding these boundaries helps clarify the scope of presidential authority in the complex landscape of American law.